So बच्चे 10.1 इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. It refers to business activities taking place between two countries. If we are working within the limits of one country, it is internal trade, and when we are dealing in two countries, that is international trade or international business. An individual cannot fulfill all his requirements by his own sources. He has to exchange the goods and services with other individuals. In the same manner, a country cannot fulfill all its requirements by its own sources. In certain cases, it has to depend on other countries. This dependence of one country upon another is the mainly due to odd distribution of natural resources. Any country can produce any product only as per the natural resources available in the country. See, we don't have petroleum products, so we have to depend upon Iraq and Iran. All the resources of all the countries are differently distributed, not equally distributed. So we have to depend on other countries for certain things. For this sale in exchange, the country purchases the products. Excess is sold to the other country, which are not available in plenty in that country. If we are not having anything in plenty, here we are not having petroleum products, so we are depending on other countries. If they are not having food grains, they are depending upon us. So the demand and supply is thus balanced. This business taking place between two countries is called international business. Okay, bache, the business which is taking place in two countries is called international business. So what is the nature of international business? Involvement of two countries. There should be at least two countries. Two countries are required to make international business meaningful and successful. Thus, international business is possible only when there is a business transaction between two countries. At least two countries should be involved to become the business international. On many bases we can do this business. There are many bases which help to make this business possible, like unequal distribution of natural resources. Because of this unequal distribution of natural resources, no country is self-dependent to produce all the goods of its own need. It has to take the help of some other nations. In the same way, varied cost of production encourages international business. If we are getting something cheap from another country as compared to the production of our own country, we can go for international business. Due to unequal distribution of natural resources or due to cost of production, there are so many reasons. So international business involves at least two countries and it is on many bases. It can be done on many bases. Next is bache, language difference. Every country has its own different language. It is mandatory for a successful businessman to know the languages of different nations. If we want to work outside, we have to learn their language. Difference of language is the main feature of the nature of this business. Knowledge of international language plays a significant role in the success of the business. So we should know the different language of different countries. Comparatively more risk. International business involves more risk in comparison to domestic business. Often the material comes from a distant place and that too through the sea route. The glaciers, waves, climate, environment, weather of the sea can cause great harm to the material. So it is very risky. Then bache, government intervention. International business is totally monitored by the government. Prior approval of the government is needed before sale purchase with a foreign country. You have to seek permission from government. Apart from this, license needs to be taken from time to time for the export import of the products. Payment in foreign currency. Every country has its own different currency. Arranging foreign currency is one of the most important feature of this kind of business. So we have to arrange foreign currency well in advance if we want to buy something from another country. So these are the bache features of international business. It involves at least two countries. It can be done on many bases. Language differences there. It is comparatively more risky. Every time we have to take permission and license from government, and then we have to arrange foreign currency well in advance before doing international business. So what are the benefits of doing international business? Benefits for the nation and benefits for the business firms. Benefit of international business to nation. If we are purchasing or selling outside the country, what the advantages or benefits for our nation? First is earning of foreign exchange. If we are selling goods outside, we are earning foreign exchange. Foreign currency or foreign exchange is important for every country. Valuable foreign exchange can be earned by international trade. By exporting more than required, gold and silver can be procured. The more the foreign exchange with a country, the more well off that country will be. So if we are doing the business on international level, what we should do? What the main benefit we are getting from that? We are earning foreign exchange. Second, more efficient use of resources. Whatever resources we are having, that will be utilized properly. Due to international business, maximum utilization of natural resources is possible. Each producer will produce only those products which will give him the maximum profit. This process is not only beneficial for an individual producer but for the country also. By doing so, the goods which were being manufactured at higher cost now can be procured from other countries at a lower cost. So benefits of specialization can also be achieved if a particular product is produced repeatedly and sold in the market. Foreign exchange we are earning, we are utilizing our all resources completely. Then improving growth prospects and employment potentials. With the help of international business machinery, raw material and modern techniques are imported. We are importing modern techniques and industrialization is encouraged. It further helps in improving growth prospects and also creates opportunities for employment of people. Singapore, South Korea, China are the star performers on the world map. They are providing goods at cheaper rate and they are providing employment to their people also. Then increased standard of living. This business makes the better goods produced in other countries available for consumption. Hence, the people of other countries